Hello, I'm Alison from Bag Lady Bird Learn to Sew. Today I'm going to be showing you how to transfer your markings from your pattern onto your fabric using just pins. So here we go.
Okay, so last week we did tailors tacks. This is an alternative to a tailors tack that is really good when you're working quick and fast and you're going to finish a project probably the same day that you cut it out, or certainly you're going to sew the part that you need. So we're going to mark the end of this dart. We've got size 14, so just getting a pin and putting that straight through so it goes down in a straight line and comes up on the other side. On the other side you then put a pin corresponding in the same place going up, and then when you unpin the pattern piece, like so, you just need to carefully pull the pin through the pattern paper. This is one of the reasons that I like small headed pins. I don't like big pins. But it just means you can easily pull that through the pattern paper. And then if we separate the two layers gently, like so, we've got a pin at the top of each dart. So I'm just going to now put that pin in like that, and you know that where that pin goes in is the point of your dart. So again, quick and easy. If you're working the rest of this project, or certainly this pattern piece, and getting it past this point, you will not lose your pin. If you've got really slippy fabric, or you're not going to be doing it for a while, or you're going to be working it a lot, I would do tailors tacks instead. But if you're working fast, then this is a good alternative. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more great Learn to Sew videos that will help make you a better dressmaker.